when I was not doing much in 1975, he invited me to come along on his world tour station to station in '76. And I had never seen anybody in my life work as hard as that guy did. I mean, he was getting up at 8 in the morning to travel by car. He didn't fly, to by car all day to gig. In the car would always be a fresh collection of the newest tapes by artists from all over the world, studying the stuff, listening to it. Okay, Tom Waits, he knew about Tom Waits before anybody. Kraftwerk, he knew about Kraftwerk before anybody. So not just, oh, I'm into this kind of music, man, and that's all I like. He gets to the town, does a couple of interviews, catches a half-hour sleep, and he's on stage doing the show. Then after the show, the guy won't stop. He's out checking out whatever band is in town, knocking on his guitarist's door at 4 in the morning, let's write a new song. I was exhausted just watching it.